Hello to everyone. This video will be showing you how to up pot your seedlings. These are my fall seedlings and I'm up potting them. You may be asking, why are you up potting them so early? Well, for me, they can stay in a little longer, but due to the fact that the way my work schedule will be coming around pretty fast, I decided to go ahead and up pot mines now. They're strong enough to up pot them, so they won't be transplanted outside, but they will at least be up potted to a different size, so I have a little time um, for them to branch out if necessary. So I'm going to show you how that process is if you're a new gardener. And even if you're an old gardener, just the way I do mines. I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. So right here, what I have is my next size up. Um, Technically, these here are the original sizes, which is going to be this. It can stay in this pot if it was just one plant. But if you can look up in here, it's a couple of plants. And these are my mustard greens. So, and all of these seedlings will not stay at my home. I am growing them not only for me, but for my mom and my little helper. Therefore, I'm going to go ahead and separate them now. So when it's time for me to distribute them out, I don't have to worry about trying to do that and they get root bound or anything of the sort. So I already have my potting soil seedling mix in here. And this I show, if you go back on some of my other videos, you'll see me talk about when I talk about different containers and things that you can plant in. Well, this one here is my bottom. And I have another one in here with holes in it, if you can tell under there. So when I water, I can just put the water up in here, sit it in here, and it'll get the water that it needs. So I'm going to start out by going ahead with the two bigger ones. I'm going to probably put two seedlings in because it's big enough to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and make me 2 holes up in my pot. And I'm going to see if I can get you to see that. But I'm going to go ahead and make all my holes. I have 3 of these bigger pots right here. And I have 4 of these plus the one that is already in. So in these here, I'm only going to put 1 plant. They contend for 2. If I need to put 2 in there, I will. Because I'm running out of room on my grow station. So let me see if I can get you to see how it looks. The holes I put in there. It's not going to be really easy. So I got 2 holes. So I have me a little butter knife. Some people use spoons. It just depends. Now you have to carefully take the seedling out without messing up the roots. So if you can tell, you see this one? I'm just going to drop it down in there. Press down on it. And this one is done. This plant, I dropped a lot of mustard greens in this thing. And I knew I was going to want to grow more, so that's why I did plant more. And I knew I was growing for more than just me. So that one is done. And if you have your holes already prepped up, I mean, it's pretty easy once you transplant. Oh Lord, this one here has a lot. I don't like throwing anything away. So my goal is to make sure I get them all transplanted. And my little helper, she's only going to get one of these. Pretty much she's getting one of everything that I planted that she said she wanted. So, So each one of these here have one in them. Now these over here is going to get two apiece. And it's more than enough for it to get two apiece. Jesus. So after I do this one, the bigger one, then I'll do the rest of them off camera. Actually, the bigger ones can actually hold 3. And if I have to, that's what I would do. Because by the time they go outside, it'll be okay. And these are, like I said, these are mustard greens. So it's not going to hurt them if they're a little close. And you can always still separate them once you get them outside. So actually, I'm looking, I can actually go ahead and do 3 with the mustard greens, because I have a lot of room in that pot. And they have a lot of room to branch out. So I'm going to show you how that look. It's 3 in the pot. So I'll be back after I get the rest of these here transplanted. So when you get finished transplanting or up-potting your seedlings, it's time for them to go back under the light. Don't forget to do a little watering. With each one, they have their own little individual cups. These, if you can see up in here, they have their own little cups. They're back close to the light. These here have their little, the double buckets. This one here has the potting tray. This one here, of course, the individual cups. When you look under here, this one here has the potting trays. And they cups. And this is the salad in a bowl. So, I hope that helped you guys understand the process of up-potting or transplanting them to a bigger pot. You do not have to do it like ASAP, but pretty much once they start really popping out, I mean, you could do it as early as possible. Just kind of make sure they already built a good little root system. Those had some really good root system already. We started them on 7/9. They've been in the pots for 20 days and they're doing good. Some seedlings did not get up potted, like the spinach, the mustard, the green mix. They didn't get up potted. Right now, just no need, because the mixed greens, they're mixed greens. So you didn't really have to do that. Of course, the salad in the bowl was not getting up potted. But again, you can really do it at your own pace. And as you can see, I have a lot of seedlings. So right now, that is my fall crops that I am going to be sowing, which is mustard greens, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, collard greens, kale, mustard tender greens. My salad in the bowl, of course, will stay inside. And I want to say that so far it's been on, that's what's on my, and cabbage. So right now that's what's on my list. I really don't have too much more that I personally want to do for the winter. For the fall. If something comes to mind, I will give you guys an update. So again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, suggestion, and hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I'm updating videos. Thank you. Have a great day.